mais opções nesse produto Huepar que esse aqui não tem, porém é o mesmo valor. Então, para mim, compensa comprar o Huepar. É um preço acessível, coisa que o outro produto não tem.
All companies want to improve their product and make them better and better. It comes down to a lot of practicality. It's not just the selfish aspect of improving the product, but actually to do better for that we all live on is massive.
I think the potential of the brand is what attracts me. Price point is low, but the quality is high.
Proof is in the pudding.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Kind donation they give to Burnley College, it shows that they're high quality at a decent price point. So I think that's like really good, like to see. Price doesn't always dictate the quality.
It's not like some brands where there's no customer service. I've never had like an unprofessional experience with the customer service.
From then on, and taking care of
Like a different charger every month. So now that the
Real construction, oil refineries.
and all your business
so